You want to run a live course over WhatsApp, but who delivers it when you're not typing every message yourself? Meet trainers in Vyroq, the reusable config that runs your course delivery every time. Head to training and hit Create Trainer. Give it a name, pick a default language, English or French, and choose a default voice for every voice note it sends. Now, the real setup: assign an AI profile so the trainer answers questions with the right persona and model, or browse curated templates with one click. Attach a default knowledge base so it can rag its way through your docs, and set a moderator user to catch anything it can't answer. Write a persona prompt override if you want full control of its tone. Coach, drill sergeant, patient tutor, your call. Set an operating time zone so every session it runs lands at the right local hour. Got a brand logo uploaded? Click Regenerate Brand Assets and Vyroq generates fresh reminder, completion, and step cards, composited right over your logo. Flip Active on, hit save, and your trainer is ready. A persistent identity you can schedule sessions from again and again. That's a trainer built once, reused forever. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.